Hi guys, welcome to Miami Event Decor channel. It's getting close to Valentine's Day, so today I'm going to prepare a big balloon heart. There are a lot of different ways to do it. I'm going to show you the easiest. Everybody can do it, even if you never have done balloons before. To make a big balloon heart, you will need a piece of foam or cardboard so you can cut the heart shape. See, like this one. You can do it bigger or smaller, as big as you need. I have also 5-inch balloons, different shades of pink, low temperature glue gun, and glue sticks. There are a lot of different techniques to do it. I'm gonna do this way because I would like to place my balloon heart on the wall. So I need to have this side of my heart is flat. So I'm gonna use a command hook to hang my balloon heart to the wall. Let's start with inflating our balloons. Now when everything is ready for work, we can start gluing our balloons to the foam heart. Glue gun is hot, ready. So we just simply take one balloon, put some glue on it, and stick it to the foam board. Don't do it very close to the edge, so you don't see the foam board side. Do it little bit, let's say maybe 2-inch above the foam board. First, my idea was to do a gradient from dark pink to light pink, but I realized that my heart is not that big, so I'm just gonna mix all colors together.
I'm a mess, just trying to get by. But I still got fight. But I still got bite. It's about to be my time. I'm working on it, 'cause I want moves like whoa, hella style, confidence. I want swag like hey, slaying in every way. I'm working all day, all night. Don't need no help. I'ma be just fine. I'm all about that grind, 'cause I wanna be that chick. Truth is, I'm broke, no lie. Truth is, I'm lost but fine. Truth is, I'm a mess, just trying to get by. But I still got fight. But I still got bite. It's about to be my time. I'm gonna be that chick. Walking the streets like a model, leading the way and they follow. I'm turning it up, burn it up like a sauna, and I'm gonna be who I wanna. Freaking the bad like I'm Crystal, freaking the mood like an idol. I'm turning it up, burn it up like a sauna, and I'm gonna be who I wanna. She gon' be that chick. All about that grind, 'cause I wanna be that chick. All about that grind, 'cause I wanna be that chick. All about that grind, 'cause I wanna be that. I want moves like whoa, hella style, confidence. I want swag like hey, slaying in every way.
I done this first layer of my balloons. It's look like this. And as you can see, we have a lot of empty spaces, what we're gonna cover with second layer of balloons. The smaller size, so we're just gonna have to cover all empty spots.
Wanna be that chick. I 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 wanna be that chick.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you stand a wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When you
I would like to add letters love. I have gold one and rose gold. I'm going for rose gold.
time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you stand that are wishing. Ignite.
Say hi to Mark.
Hi, Mark! Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you stand that are wishing. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you stand that are wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let
This heart will be in one of the French bakery in Miami. So I think it's look nice, but I still want to add some roses. I have foam roses, like 2 shades of pink, and I'm just gonna add it a little bit everywhere, like a small touch of flowers. Same with my glue gun.
stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you stand that are wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.
I think I have enough of balloons and flowers, and it's ready to go to my client. Let me know what you think about this balloon heart. If you have any question, please leave your comment below the video, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel.